Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a quick Miller Harris unboxing. Also, if you're planning on buying anything from Miller Harris, I have a 20% discount code, which is redeemable against everything, so feel free to use it. It is in the description box. Anyway, what I've got to show you today is the Discovery set. This is a box of 8 tiny perfumes, and it costs £30, which, bear with me, I know might sound like a lot, but it's not, because when you buy this box, you actually get a £30 gift voucher to redeem against any perfume that you want at Miller Harris, which basically makes this box free. So I thought I'd get one, unbox it, and show you everything. So let's get into it. So here is what the packaging looks like, and inside is my Discovery set. Plus, with every Miller Harris order, you get 2 free miniature samples. So here they are. First of all, we have Mini Air, which is the brand new fragrance from Miller Harris. I actually have it and I absolutely love it. It's very green, it's very crisp and fresh and green and lovely, and it's also very oceanic. However, instead of it being like warm and solar and sunny, it's actually quite cold and dark and kind of moody. So yeah, it's lovely. It's kind of crisp and clean and green, but it's also kind of moody and dark. It's honestly unlike any other perfume I've ever tried. I love it. And then this other perfume is how do I pronounce that? Staccato? I can't do this. So this one smells of ginger, leather and cedarwood. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, it's very woody and smoky and leathery and kind of oody. Ooh, and I love that ginger spiciness too. Oh, it's really good. I'm trying to think what it reminds me of. Oh, I don't know. It kind of gives me like Christmas candle vibes. Anyway, let's move on to the Discovery kit. So here is the box, and inside are 8 small perfumes. We've got bestsellers like Rose Silence, Tea Tonique, Secret Gardenia, Scherzo, Eau de Clat, and more. So some of these perfumes I know and I already love, like Rose Silence, which is one of my favourite ever Miller Harris perfumes. And some of them I've never yet tried. So this is a really good way of exploring the brand, and basically for free. Of course, if you are in London, you can go into their boutique, which is really lovely. I love their shop. The staff are super friendly and really helpful, and they're so good at giving guidance of what you might like based on perfumes that you already know and love. But if you can't get into London, this is an amazing substitute. Plus, because it's £30 and then you get the £30 gift voucher, it's basically a free load of perfume. So here is the set, and also if you wanted to give it as a gift, it would make a really lovely gift, and then you can of course pass on the £30 gift voucher so they can put it towards their next perfume. And don't forget, you also get the 2 free samples as well. Gosh, I've just realised 8 perfumes plus 2 perfumes at 2 ml per perfume is like 20 ml of free perfume. That's actually a lot. I'm really impressed. You know when you're like, that's a 20 ml bottle of perfume essentially for free. If only more people knew. Anyway, hopefully my video will help get word out there. Anyway, that is the Discovery set. I think it's amazing. I love the fact that it's basically like so much perfume for free and such a good opportunity to explore the brand. And of course, when you buy it, you get your £30 gift voucher back to spend on your next perfume. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget I have a 20% Miller Harris discount code in my description, so enjoy it. And it doesn't run out. You can use it now, you can use it at Christmas time, you can use it next summer, whenever you want, but I hope it helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.